Noise of gunshot and heavy military personnel in Imo State is coming. Noise of gunshots and heavy military personnel in Imo State. There needs to be a divine intervention. We are praying for the peace of our states. The Bible says pray for the peace of Jerusalem. So it is right when God gives us signs, and we pick up the signs as intercessors, as people who are saying, let the will of God be done in Nigeria. If we must enforce the will of God, it's not going to be by negotiation, it's going to be by invasion. And it's going to be an invasion of the supernatural in the spiritual.